Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. So listen, I thought we could just vibe out today because I have this beautiful kinky curly wig from UNice and I just want to put some good tunes on, get comfortable, and settle in, okay? It's got transparent lace. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. Plenty of combs and natural edges. They are tripping me out with the construction of these wigs nowadays. So this particular wig, you can wear her glueless if you'd like because they do have combs, but I went ahead and I secured it with some Got2b glued, and then I also went in with a spray just to make sure that everything was everything. So the one thing that's really great about this unit in particular, and UNice, is they have very nice quality wigs that are affordable, which sometimes that don't go hand in hand. So if you want to try something new, it's not going to break your budget. And you want to take the plunge, at least you know you're getting good quality and it won't break your bank. So here I am cutting the lace. I'm trying to be careful not to mess up these baby hairs. And y'all see that bleach job? Who did that bleach job? I did that bleach job. What? I told you. Better and better from here on up. We're going up in 2023, okay? So I never really know what to do with these units and the edges because I want to highlight the edges because the edges are what makes the unit look so much more natural. So what I did was I went ahead and I used some foaming mousse and I'm curling the edges. I put my little wrap on, and then when it dries, I like to fluff up the baby hairs so they don't look manufactured, so they look like they're still part of the wig and the wig looks like it's part of my natural scalp. So sometimes with kinky curly hair, it really comes very uniform, right? And that's nobody's hair that's natural ever in the history of anybody, okay? So what I did was I really saturated the hair and then I added this Pop Lock wash and go curl glaze, and then I used a diffuser to try to get those curls to come alive and do their own thing, be all over the place. So now you can see me just kind of breaking up the cast of the foam on my edges, trying to make them look a little bit more natural. And the more you mess with this wig, like the more volume it has, the more you run your fingers through it or use a pick or a comb in this case to make it bigger, the more natural it looks. And I didn't do this for this video because I don't know, something about it. I can cut the heck out of some synthetic wigs, but when it comes to a kinky curly or any kind of curly unit that has really good quality hair, I tend not to want to cut it. But you can totally make this wig your own by cutting in your own shape, something that is face framing and something that complements your style. still separating pieces because I want it bigger. And the more it dried, because it was still a little damp in the back, the bigger it got. So this is what it looks like when it's completely dried and I haven't manipulated it too much.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk, I'm already.
So this is what it looked like after I was playing in it for about 35 minutes. And y'all, I'm telling you, you will feel like a goddess queen when it reaches the final boss level, which is what this hair was right here. Thank you guys for watching my video. All the information for this wig I'm gonna leave in the description box below. I love y'all so much. It's so fun being back. I love talking with y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye!
Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk.
Another thing I love about Kinky Curly wigs, molded hairstyles, twist and curls, braid outs, bantu knots. They're going to look stunning. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I love y'all. Bye. I'm gone for real.